best high-performance piston rings improve engine sealing, boost power, reduce oil consumption, enhance durability, and ensure smoother, more efficient engine performance. My today's video is about top 5 best high-performance piston rings that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Moker Piston Ring Compressor Tool. This high-performance piston ring tool kit is an essential addition to any automotive toolbox, offering reliability, precision, and convenience. Designed with universal compatibility, it works seamlessly across all vehicle types, making it ideal for both professional mechanics and DIY users. The kit simplifies piston ring installation and removal up to 6.4 mm, 1/4 inch, without twisting, reducing the risk of damage and saving valuable time during engine work. Its adjustable band sizes, ranging from 2 1/8 to 7, 53 mm, 175 mm, provide strong, even compression, while the adjustable friction brake ensures secure and controlled operation. Built from durable spring steel with a corrosion-resistant coating, this tool kit is engineered to withstand heavy use, wear, and aging. With piston ring pliers, a ring compressor, and a wrench included, it delivers a complete, efficient solution for smooth, professional quality piston installations. Now our second product is Armker STD Main. This rod main bearings and piston rings kit is a reliable choice for rebuilding LS Gen 3 and 4 4.8L and 5.3L V8 engines. Designed for a 3.78-inch bore, it offers broad compatibility with popular Chevy car and light truck engines from 1999 to 2016, making it ideal for both restorations and performance maintenance. Crafted from high-strength metal alloys, the bearings and piston rings deliver precise, standard clearances that reduce friction, minimize wear, and support long-term engine reliability. OE-spec construction ensures a perfect direct fit replacement, allowing for faster, hassle-free installation without modifications. The standard-size crankshaft journal compatibility and clearly defined ring specifications help maintain proper compression and oil control. Backed by Armker's experience in supplying quality engine rebuild components, this kit provides dependable performance and responsive customer support, giving builders confidence throughout the entire rebuild process. Our third product is DNA Motoring Engine Piston Ring. This versatile piston ring compressor set is designed to deliver precision, durability, and convenience for engine assembly tasks. The kit includes heavy-duty ratcheting compression pliers and 6 clearly labeled piston ring compressors, making it easy to select the correct size for various piston applications. Built from high-quality steel, the pliers provide reliable strength and lock securely onto piston rings, ensuring fast, controlled, and damage-free installation. The thoughtfully designed carrying case holds each component firmly in place, reducing wear during storage and transport while remaining lightweight and easy to carry. With wide compatibility across cars, trucks, motorcycles, and other engine types, this set is well suited for professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts alike. Its user-friendly design and clear instructions allow even first-time users to quickly master proper installation techniques, making this tool set a dependable and efficient solution for smooth, accurate piston ring installation. Now number 4, SP8 PCS 3-inch 4/6 piston ring. This comprehensive piston ring compressor kit is a must-have for anyone performing engine rebuilds, offering precision, durability, and convenience in one package. The kit includes 8 essential pieces: 3 piston ring compressors, 3-inch, 4/6 adjustable piston installation pliers, a set of pliers, and 3 wrenches, covering piston diameters from 53 mm to 195 mm. Constructed from spring steel, the compressors provide maximum strength, resist corrosion, and allow easy installation or removal without twisting, protecting piston rings and cylinders. The adjustable piston installer pliers simplify safe and efficient ring expansion, supporting sizes from 3/64 to 1/4, while the included stainless steel feeler gauges allow accurate measurement of tool radius, thickness, or width of screws, valves, and bearings. With all necessary tools in a single set, this kit saves time, reduces effort, and ensures professional quality results. It's ideal for both DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics, providing reliable, long-lasting performance for smooth piston and ring installation. And our last choice is Michigan Motorsports LS Performance Piston Ring. This performance-built piston ring set is engineered for serious street, strip, and high-performance LS engine builds, delivering unmatched durability, sealing, and oil control. The precision machined steel nitride top ring ensures long-lasting wear resistance, maintaining excellent compression and preventing leaks under both naturally aspirated and boosted conditions. Its Napier-style second ring improves oil scraping, reduces blow-by, and promotes optimal ring seating during the initial break-in period, enhancing overall engine efficiency and longevity. Designed to fit 4.8L and 5.3L Gen 3 of 4 LS engines, including LC9, L33, LH6, LM7, L20, LR4, L59, LM4, LS4, LY2, LMG, and LMF from 1999 to 2013, this ring set offers precise compatibility for a wide range of LS applications. Perfect for engine rebuilds, stroker kits, or forced induction setups, these rings are built to withstand increased cylinder pressures while maintaining reliable performance. For anyone looking to upgrade or refresh their LS engine, this piston ring set provides the strength, precision, and durability necessary for high-performance results. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.